Welcome to this video on checkpoint automation with Structura. In this video, we will look at how we can use Structura to automate package installations on an on-prem checkpoint gateway cluster within a multi-domain environment. The cluster is configured for high availability and contains two members, both running R81. The package we will be installing is the checkpoint R81 Jumbo Hotfix Take 23. Looking at the project in Structura, we have one resource and one module. The resource is the checkpoint management put file, which will upload a file to the checkpoint management server with the specified name and location. The file content is generated via a template file function, in which we are passing the package name to the template. The template contains the following: plan settings, which include a name and a flag to enable the CPU's update. Then we define the actions, download, import, and install. The module in this project contains two resources, another checkpoint management put file and a null resource. The put file is used to upload a script that will generate a list of candidate gateways and will issue the deployment. The null resource is used to establish an SSH connection and to keep that connection alive for the duration of the deployment. We are using Azure DevOps to run the deployment in a pipeline, although this could be executed manually on an instance in the same network as the checkpoint management server or via other CI/CD platforms. Running the install package pipeline will prompt the user for three inputs: the CMA address, the management server name, and the package name. Step 1, the Terraform project created in Structura is executed, uploading the template and triggering the package installation via the SSH connection. Step 2, the management server will generate a list of candidates that support this package. In this scenario, we will see that domain 1 cluster gateway 1 and 2 listed as part of the deployment plan. Step 3, the tool will select the non-active gateway, gateway 2, and begins to download, import, and install the package, as per the plan generated via Structura. In the Smart Console, we can see that gateway 2 shows as down during the installation, and then turns to green once complete. At this point, gateway 2 will then become the active gateway, while step 3 is repeated on gateway 1, ensuring that there's always an active gateway to keep the network running as intended. Logging into the web portal on both these gateways, we can see that this package has now been marked as installed. If you like this video or want to see more from us, please leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.